Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, my dear students of grade 3 المناهج schools. Today, inshallah, we are studying Unit 11, Grammar. Our grammar in this unit is about using some and any. We are going to use some and any with there is and there are. Do you remember there is and there are? Do you remember the difference between them? How about watching a video to remember the difference between there is and there are? Let's go.
There are. There are 2 cats. There is a ball. There's a ball. Your turn. There are 3 dogs. There's a car. There are 2 lions. There are 2 houses. There are 4 pencils. There's a plane. There are 2 dragons.
As we have watched, my dear students, in the video, the difference between there is and there are is. We use there is with singular nouns and we use there are with plural nouns. Look at this example. Okay, look at the picture. How many books are there on the table? Excellent. Only 1 book. 1. So here we use there is or there are. Excellent. We use there is because it's 1, singular. We say there's a book on the table. Okay, look at this picture. How many books? Is it 1 book or many books? Excellent. Many books. So we say there is or there are. Great. We say there are books on the table. There are books on the table because there are many books. It's plural. Now I want you to know something which is very important. We have 2 kinds of nouns. We have countable nouns. Countable nouns means we can count them. We can use numbers with them. For example, the word grapes. We can say 2 grapes, 5 grapes. Also another word like table. We can say 2 tables, 3 tables. Okay? And the word apple, we can say apple and we can say 3 apples, 2 apples. Okay? Here is a cat. We can say 2 cats, 3 cats. This is a boy. We can say 3 boys or 5 boys. Also the word girl. Here we have 2 girls. So these are called countable nouns. We can count them. The second kind is uncountable nouns. We cannot count these nouns. Okay? We cannot use numbers with these nouns. For example, the word water. We cannot say 3 waters or 5 waters. Okay? Also, we cannot say 2 breads or 3 breads. We just say bread. It's uncountable. We cannot count it. Also, the word chicken. We cannot count it. Chicken, which we eat, we cannot say 5 chickens or 10 chickens. Okay? Another word, juice. We don't say 5 juices or 2 juices. Okay? This is not correct. These are called uncountable nouns. We cannot count them. Okay, let's start our lesson. We use there's some with uncountable nouns. If the noun cannot be counted, we cannot use number with the noun. We use there is some. We use there are some with countable nouns in plural. Countable nouns, we can count them. The noun must be in plural. Okay? Many, not only one. Let's have some examples. Look at this picture on the table here and tell me, what can you see? Excellent. Here is a jug. In the jug, juice. So here the word juice. Is it countable or uncountable? Do you remember? Can we count juice? Can we say 2, 3, 5 juices? Of course, no. We cannot say this. Here we use there's some or there are some. Excellent. We use there is some juice in the jug. Why there is? Because it's uncountable. We cannot count it. Another example. Here, what can you see on the plate here? This is the plate. And here is what? Excellent. Chicken. Okay, do you remember chicken? Countable or uncountable? We say 2, 3, 5 chickens, or we just say chicken? Excellent. It's uncountable. So we use there is or there are. Wait, we use there is. So here we say there is some chicken on the plate. Look here. What can you see on the table? Great. Books. Many books. Okay. Singular or plural? Of course, it's a plural. We can count. We can say 2 books, 3 books, 10 books. So, we use there is or there are. Great. We use there are. There are some books on the table. Okay, look here in the basket. This is the basket. What can you see in the basket? Excellent. Grapes. Is it singular, one, or plural, many? Great. Many, plural. So, we say there is some or there are some. Excellent, my students. There are some grapes in the basket. Okay. Look here on the floor. On the floor, this is the floor. What can you see here on the floor? Excellent. Water. So, is the word water countable or uncountable? We count this. We say 2 waters, 3 waters. Of course, no. We just say water. So, this word is singular. We use there is some or there are some. Excellent. We use there is some water on the floor. Great. Here, if we want to say no, if we cannot see anything, here we use there isn't any. There isn't any with uncountable nouns. If the noun is uncountable, we cannot count it, we use there isn't any. If the noun is plural, many, we use there aren't any. We use there aren't any with countable nouns in plural. Let's have an example. Okay, here, can you see any water on the floor? No. So we say there isn't any water on the floor. Here, can you see any books on the table? No. So we say there aren't any books on the table, and we say there aren't because the word books is countable. Okay, let's go to know how to make a question, how to ask and answer. As you can watch here, instead of there is, we use is there. We replace the two words there, and we replace the word some with any. So we use any in the negative. When we use isn't or aren't, we use any. And when we make a question, this is a question, and here is a question mark. Do you remember the question mark? Okay, so here we say, is there any water? We can answer this question with yes, there is, or no, there isn't. And this is a short answer. Okay, look here at the second sentence. There are some books. There are some books. If you want to make this sentence a question, what we do? Excellent. We will place the two words and we replace some with any. Instead of there are, we say are there. Then we replace some with the word any because it's a question. So the question, are there any books? The answer could be yes, there are, short answer, and the long answer, yes, there are some books. Or we can say no, there aren't, short answer, or the long answer is no, there aren't any books. Okay, let's have another example. Look here at the floor and let me ask you, is there any water on the floor? Look here. The answer is excellent. Yes, there is. Now, is there any water on the floor? No, there isn't any water on the floor. And be careful here. Here we say no with isn't. We use any, not some. Be careful. Another example. Let me ask you, are there any books on the table? Are there, and here we use are. Why? We use are there because it's countable. We can count the books. Are there any books on the table? The answer is yes, there are. Okay, what is the answer if it's like this? No, there aren't any books on the table. Okay? Now I want you to open your workbook page 104. Okay? Are you ready? Okay, let's look here at question number 1. Okay, I will answer with you the first and the second sentence, then you will finish the whole exercise in your homework. So let's start the first question here. Complete the sentences with there is some or there are some. So you should read the sentence and just write there's some or there are some. Okay, let's look at the first sentence here. What can you see? Yes, plate and some grapes. So we write here there's some or there are some grapes on the plate. Look at this word, grapes. Is it singular or plural? Excellent, it's plural. So we say there is some or there are some with plural nouns. Great, there are some. So we write here there are some. Okay, in number 2, look here and tell me what can you see? What is this? Excellent, it's a dog. What is there in the dog? Excellent, water. So we say here there is or there are some water in the jug. The word water, singular or plural? Can we count it or no? Excellent, it's singular. We cannot count it. It's uncountable noun. So we write here there is some. Now you should answer number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in your homework, and if you have any question you can send me on WhatsApp. Now we have come to the end of our lesson today. I hope it was helpful and useful. Thank you for watching and have a nice time.